Did you know that the average person spends nearly 3 hours each year searching for items under their kitchen or bathroom sink? That's right, those precious minutes lost to rummaging through piles of cleaning supplies, half-empty bottles, and forgotten sponges really add up. Take a moment and ask yourself, when was the last time you reached under the sink and immediately found what you needed? If you're like most people, the answer is probably rarely. Under-sink chaos is a universal frustration, and it's time to talk about a simple, affordable fix that can transform that cluttered space into a beacon of organization. The area under the sink is one of the most neglected spots in any home. It's easy to toss things down there and shut the cabinet doors, hoping for the best. But over time, this space turns into a catch-all for cleaning products, plastic bags, dish soap, and sometimes even things you forgot you owned. Not only does this clutter make it hard to find what you need, but it can also waste valuable space and even lead to spills, leaks, or damage if bottles tip over or cleaning solutions mix. For many, opening that cabinet door means bracing for what might fall out, and it's a daily reminder of a problem that seems harder to fix than it actually is. Let's break down the specific issues that make under-sink chaos so common. First, the space is often oddly shaped, with pipes and garbage disposals taking up room and making it tricky to arrange items. Second, there's usually no shelving or dividers, so everything ends up on one crowded level. Third, most people store a variety of items in this area: cleaning sprays, sponges, trash bags, dish soap, scrubbing brushes, and more. Without a system, these products get mixed together, making it difficult to grab what you need. Last but not least, the risk of spills or leaks is always present, especially if containers tip over or if something is knocked against the plumbing. These issues can turn a simple task, grabbing a sponge or refilling the soap, into a frustrating search mission. So, what can you do about it? The good news is you don't need to invest in expensive organizers or custom cabinets to make a difference. There are plenty of budget-friendly solutions out there, and today, we're focusing on those you can create for around $10. The first option is to use small, stackable bins or baskets. These are widely available at dollar stores or discount retailers. By grouping similar items together, you can prevent products from tipping over and make it easy to slide out a bin and get what you need. Another idea is a tension rod. Yes, the same kind you'd use for curtains. Install one across the width of your cabinet and hang spray bottles by their handles. This simple hack instantly frees up space below for other items and keeps your most used products within reach. For those who want even more organization, consider using clear labeled containers. Clear boxes allow you to see what's inside at a glance, and labels make it easy to put things back in the right place. You can even repurpose old food containers or jars for this purpose. Another budget-friendly method is to use a small, lazy Susan or turntable. This allows you to rotate and access items stored at the back of the cabinet without reaching and knocking things over. These turntables are often just a few dollars each, but they make a huge difference in accessibility. But if you're looking for the ultimate $10 solution, a single product or method that can transform your under-sink chaos into order, consider the humble over-the-door organizer. These organizers, designed for shoes or accessories, are made of clear pockets and can be cut down to size. Attach a row or two to the inside of your cabinet door, and you suddenly have instant storage for sponges, brushes, gloves, and small bottles. This not only maximizes vertical space that would otherwise go unused, but it also keeps everyday essentials visible and easy to grab. You can usually find these organizers at discount stores for under $10, and with a pair of scissors and a few adhesive hooks, you'll have a customized solution that fits your space. Imagine the transformation. Before, your under-sink area was a jumble of bottles, bags, and mystery containers. After installing a few baskets and an over-the-door organizer, every item has its place. Cleaning sprays hang neatly from a tension rod, sponges are tucked into pockets on the door, and bins hold trash bags and dish soap. The result is a cabinet where you can open the doors and instantly find what you need. No more digging, no more spills, and no more wasted time. the space is not only tidier but also safer, with less risk of accidentally knocking over a bottle that could leak or spill. To recap, under-sink chaos is a common problem caused by a lack of organization, odd cabinet shapes, and the wide variety of items we store there. But with just $10, you can make a dramatic difference. Budget-friendly options like stacking bins, tension rods, clear containers, lazy Susans, and over-the-door organizers can help you reclaim your space and restore order. The key is to group similar items together, make use of vertical space, and ensure everything has a designated spot. Once you've implemented these changes, you'll spend less time searching and more time enjoying a tidier, more functional home. A tidy under-sink cabinet isn't just about aesthetics. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and protecting your home from spills and damage. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to achieve it. With a little creativity and a $10 investment, you can turn frustration into satisfaction every time you open those cabinet doors. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to tackle your own under-sink chaos, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, budget-friendly organizing solutions. Your home deserves to be a place of comfort and efficiency, and with simple changes like these, every corner can shine. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!